Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Seventour DR-1 dashcam to your phone. To do that, we need to have this app, GoLook. You can download this app by going to the App Store, Google Play Store, or you can scan a QR code on the user manual to download this app. Once you download this app, you need to turn on your dashcam. Once it's turned on, it will give off a Wi-Fi connection that you can access by going to the settings. You go to the settings, Wi-Fi, and here you can find a Wi-Fi connection that starts with high DVR. Tap to connect. It'll ask you for a password which is 128. Once you successfully connect your Wi-Fi, open the app. Now you can see your dashcam.